Welcome to another Thursday video. We are receiving lots of rainfall, all thanks to the Bay of Bengal. I don't love rain, but when it's raining and you see the clear sky and you hear birds sing, it makes your heart feels good. Enjoy the weather. Another gloomy day. My noodles, but I'm so lazy to cook. So here's how you can eat it like a cup noodles. Take a glass or cup or anything of your choice. Mix all of your noodles with the masalas, chilies, add warm water, cover for 1 to 2 minutes and you can enjoy it. So this gloomy weather is making me so lazy. So here's another idea. You can eat your Maggi without cooking. So as you can see in the video, I'm mixing my masala in the Maggi packet. I'm adding chili. This is chicken pickle. I'm adding it in the with the Maggi mix and eat. It's so yummy. It's raining again. Just a while back, my mom built this kitchen where we can light fire. Very convenient for our lifestyle since during winter uh, our temperatures drops and we eat a lot of smoked meat and roast meat, so it's very convenient. अगर आप लोग का घर में ये फायर प्लेस है और आप लोग बहुत मीट रोस्ट करते हैं तो प्लीज़ सोने से पहले आग को बुझा कर सोए। अच्छा से देख लो कि हर आग मतलब सब साइड से बुझ गया है। अभी ईटानगर में इतना रिसेंट केसेस हो रहे घर जलने का, तो प्लीज़ केयरफुल रहे। अभी तो और भी ठीक से बारिश आएगा लग रहा है।
हाँ अभी तक यहाँ पे तुम लोग कहाँ में?
That's bad. This is a pialang. We use it for cutting our meat, and since it's a wood, it absorbs lots of water and get fungus. So here is how we treat it. Sitting by the fire, roasting meat, a glass of Pepsi. It's my love life. I hope you guys are doing fine. Take care. And this video was supposed to upload yesterday, but then I can't work in deadline. See you.